Hey guys, what's going on? If you're new here, welcome. My name is BrittanyNichole and I am in my robe because today I have a couple of work meetings that I have to get ready for online, of course, on Zoom. Hello 2021. So I thought it would be the perfect time to share with you my beauty routine featuring a clean, minimalist, but still luxurious brand that's launching at Sephora on February 16th called Merit Beauty. I love the idea of less is more beauty, which is what Merit is all about. You don't have to always have your nails done. You don't have to always do your hair. You don't have to always have makeup on, but there's obviously days when you need to, and that's when Merit comes into play. Their items are good for your skin. There's skincare benefits. They're good for the planet and they're clean. So you're not really sacrificing anything when you're going in with products like this. Sustainability and responsibility is trickling more and more into the beauty world, which I love. Merit has 100% recyclable shipping packaging and they're vegan and cruelty-free, which is just a total win-win for me. So I'm starting out with the Minimalist Complexion Stick, which is $38. I really like the feel of this product. It's nice and hydrating. It's meant to kind of mimic your skin, so it leaves a really nice, natural, lightweight finish on the skin. And it doesn't claim to be a concealer or a foundation. It's meant to be both, so you only want to apply this in areas where you need a little bit of coverage. Again, we're thinking about less is more beauty, right? So I'm going in and I'm adding that on my cheeks area. I'm adding it on my nose, a little bit in the center of the forehead, on the sides of my temples, and on the chin. And I like to blend that out with my fingers to start. Using your fingers as tools, especially in a minimalist makeup routine, goes a really long way. So I'm gonna pat that out and let my fingers warm it up to the skin. And then I'm gonna grab their brush number 1 to really buff it in. This is kind of a kabuki style brush and it's the perfect size. It's not too heavy in the hand, it's really lightweight, and it's perfect to just throw in your bag with the Minimalist for touch-ups on the go. And nothing feels better than when someone's like, wow, your skin looks so good, when you know you have a little bit of product under there that's also, doing good things for your skin, because there's skincare in these products as well. If you guys know who Biba is, she's a Hollywood esthetician. They actually worked with her to formulate these products, so there's really good skincare benefits in these as well, which is wonderful. So next I'm going to go in with their Flush Balm Cheek Color. I have the shade Terracotta, which is perfect because it works as a blush and kind of adds a little bit of warmth into my skin, so I don't feel like I have to go in with an additional bronzer after. This might be my favorite formula when it comes to a cream blush. It's definitely one of my tops. It looks really natural and it blends onto the skin really easily. So don't be afraid with this formula. I have worked with some blushes that I have been afraid to use, like the MAC cream blushes. Those, even to this day, now that I, know how to do makeup, I've always struggled with those. We always used to layer those when we'd work on brides. And if you went in with too much product, it was really hard to blend out. This isn't like this. You could see how quickly that blended into my skin and how seamless that was. And like I said, it adds a little bit of warmth onto my face, so I don't feel like I have to go in with an additional bronzer. So I'll even take that up a little bit onto my temples. So the Flush Balm is $28 and comes in 5 shades. There's a really nice variety from the color I used, which is more of like a terracotta, peachy color. There are pinks and there's berries as well, which is pretty good for the first time a brand is launching. So next up, I'm gonna go in with their Day Glow Balmy Highlighter. This is $30 and I think it's gonna be their best seller. I have the shade Kava, but it comes in 2 shades, this color and then a more pinky version. This is packed with squalene and olive oil. It feels like you are giving your skin a drink of water when you put it on. It glides on super easy, it blends out super easy, and it really kind of gives you that wet look highlight that we all love. It's not sparkly, it's not glittery, it just looks really natural and beautiful on the skin. And of course you can blend this out with either your fingers or the brush number 1. I am just loving applying product with my fingers lately. Ever since I did that Gigi Hadid inspired Vogue video, I'm just obsessed with it. That's a highlight that makes it look like you're glowing from within, which is the look I always want to go for. I don't want to look super matte. I want to look like my skin is hydrated, like I drink all the water in the world and eat all the healthy food all the time, and this highlight really does that. Next up, we're gonna go in with the Brow 1980, which I think is gonna be another bestseller for Merit. This comes in 3 shades and is $24. And what it is a pomade that adds color and volume for healthy looking brows, which is everything I want. You guys know how obsessed I am with the e.l.f. Wow Brow. This has definitely become a huge contender. It looks really natural. So again, none of these products are scary when you're going in with them. They're super easy to apply. So you won't be scared to like go in and add product like it's going to get all over. And if it does, it really easily wipes off, which I like. I'm very into a fluffy model brow, and this really just emphasizes that in the perfect way. It's still natural though. Sometimes we go in a little heavy-handed with our brows, right? And people are like, okay, what did you do to your brows? This doesn't do that. This just gives you the perfect amount of color, and it fluffs. And it just makes me feel a little more confident. I don't know about you, but I have to have my brows on before I walk out the door if I'm doing my makeup. It really just kind of frames the face. And this is just the perfect product to do that. See the difference? It's awesome. That formula is buildable as well. So I've gone in sometimes and added like 3 coats, and it builds up really nicely and really gives you that fluffy brow. But 1 coat is more than enough for me for meetings for work, which is what I'm doing today. So let's go in with the next product. Every minimalist routine has to have some kind of mascara. So today we're going in with the Clean Lash, which is a lengthening mascara. This is $26, and this is a tubing mascara. You guys know how obsessed I am with tubing mascaras. I have all sorts of allergies, so if I scrub at my eyes in any way to try to remove product, my eyes immediately water, so this is perfect. It's not super lengthening and it's not super volumizing. It just really kind of tints your lashes and makes it look like you have lashes there. So if you are more into something that's gonna make your lashes look super, super long, this might not do that. But again, for a minimalist routine, this is all I want. See how nice and natural that looks? Obviously there's nothing on this eye. It just makes me look a little bit more awake. It coats each lash and it doesn't get clumpy, which I really like. I got a little bit on my lower lid, which I'm just gonna let hang out, and then I will wipe it off with a spoolie or just a clean little eyeshadow brush in a second. But we are gonna go in with their last product, and I know I've been saying I think this is gonna be their best seller a lot, but I do think this is going to be another bestseller. This is the Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. This gives you a wash of sheer color. It has rosehip and grapeseed oil for healthy, never sticky lips, and I love this. It's so hydrating, and as it kind of dries down through the day, it doesn't get super sticky. It doesn't dry down in a weird way where you get like butthole lip, and you can reapply this over and over again, and this color along with the blush just go together perfectly. So that is it for my clean, minimalist, but still luxurious beauty routine featuring Merit Beauty that again is launching at Sephora on February 16th. I will have links to absolutely everything down below, but I wanted to mention a couple more things before I let you go. Your first order does ship with a complimentary makeup bag. This is a double-lined, no wasteful hardware bag, and it's made to last, so you'll only ever need one. You can just wash it on cold to refresh. And then for your second orders, those all ship with the 100% dissolvable green self foam made with cornstarch. So again, they're thinking about more than just your makeup. They're thinking about your skincare, and they're thinking about the planet as well, which I think all companies can do in 2021. So I've got to run to get on my meeting, but I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you learned something about clean beauty or minimalist beauty or Merit if you were interested in trying them. If you have any questions, as always, let me know down below. I am an open book. Otherwise, if you're interested in seeing any more videos from me, please subscribe. It means the absolute world to me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel a lot, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.